how to create Instagram posts with text. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and you have to make sure that you have saved the photos, right? Now all you have to do is to go here to your story section. Here on the bottom part, you will see this photo, your gallery here. Click on that and choose the photo that you want to post and you want to add a text on. So let's say this one. You want to actually post this on Instagram, but you want to also add text on it. So what you're going to do is on the upper part, you will see the text icon. Click on that and write the text that you want to add it here. And you can even change its fonts, manipulate it. And if you're done with that, tap on done. And then you can resize it, move it around. And let's say you want to post that one. So what you're going to do is on the upper right, you'll see three dots there. Tap on save. So what you're going to do next is you want to go here to your post section, and on the bottom part you'll see a plus icon there. Click on that plus icon, and now you can actually create the post there now. As you can see, you can even resize it, zoom it in, zoom it out, depends on you. So let's do it or post it like that, and then tap on next on the upper right, and you can even change the vibe of that picture, and then tap on next again, and tap on OK, and tap on share, and just wait for it to load. As you can see here, you have now successfully a created an Instagram post with text, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.